There have only been a few advancements and essential developments in the battery manufacturing process for more than a decade. With experts' attempt to develop revolutionary battery technology, Tesla is already out with renewable energy-powered devices. And this new Tesla battery technology will blow your mind. They are paving the way for the next generation table batteries. So, for what purpose are these batteries being manufactured? And in comparison to solid-state batteries, how much better are Tesla's new 4680 batteries? Welcome to Future. Today, we'll discuss how the revolutionary 4680 battery from Tesla is changing the industry and why it is unbeatable. Before we do, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. The announcement of the all-new Tesla batteries. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, gave an update on the 4680 format cells during the company's quarterly earnings call. Since 2013, Tesla has used 18650 cells made by Panasonic in Asia in its Model S and Model X automobiles. In September, Tesla had an annual Battery Day event when they discussed the new technical developments in batteries. Tesla didn't hold back when it came to Battery Day, announcing a new innovative table 4680 battery. Traditional batteries. In the early 1970s, a British chemist suggested using lithium-ion rechargeable battery cells for the first time. A chemical soup separates two electrodes, the negative anode and the positive cathode, termed the electrolyte in battery cells. These seem to be deceptively simple but are not. The revolutionary 4680 batteries. Tesla's cost per kilowatt-hour, the unit of energy most widely used to evaluate the capacity of battery packs in current electric cars, is predicted to decrease as a result of the battery. This might increase the range and power of an electric vehicle. These battery cells might be revolutionary if they can be made, but the judgment is still out on that, among other things. The new form factor removes the tab, boosts energy density, and preserves the same thermal properties as smaller cells, increasing power-to-weight ratio and lowering production costs. So what are the specifics of the 4680 battery? The 4680 battery cell is 46 mm broad and 80 mm in height in a single unit. In other words, this means to say that more electrical energy can be stored due to the larger overall size. Compared to the 2170 battery used in the manufacture of the Model 3 and Model Y in the first quarter of 2021, this battery has 5 times the energy storage, which corresponds to 5 times more energy output. Tesla stated that by far it has delivered 184,800 electric vehicles using traditional lithium-ion battery technology, which was sourced from Panasonic, a Japanese manufacturing company. Tesla also revealed more about its new 4680 battery, which will be produced in-house beginning in 2022 at a pilot facility in China. What's unique about these new batteries is that instead of using cobalt, the new batteries have a high nickel cathode. They also use silicon, the second most prevalent material on the planet, to replace graphite anode. Current batteries, such as the Tesla 2170, include tabs, which are metal components soldered to the electrodes at the core. These components are complex and costly to manufacture, and they may be a weak link in the battery. This is because current passage through the tabs creates a hot area that can cause electrode failure. This is exactly where the 4680 stands a huge advantage over the current batteries. There are no tabs on Tesla's 4680 batteries. Cost factor. According to Tesla, the new design is 56% less expensive to manufacture and requires nearly half the space to provide the same amount of power as a 74 kilowatt-hour Model Y battery pack. The key benefit is that the laser-patterned shingles provide a shorter channel for the electrodes to flow through. Tesla claims that this will be the first million-mile battery and that it will keep 90% of its life after 4,000 charge cycles, despite the several battery types available. The efficiency. Tesla chose to improve an existing platform that requires fewer components and a 5-fold decrease in electrical parts. The new cells do not have tabs and have shorter routes for electrons to move through. They're also easier to put together since they have fewer pieces. With just one form factor modification alone, it provides 5 times the energy, 6 times the power, and a 16% improvement in range. Tesla claims that this design would not only reduce charging time to as little as 15 minutes, but it will also allow for quicker electron flow when requiring power for improved performance. The design of the new 4680 cells in the tablet directly influences manufacturability. It not only removes the requirement for a tab, but it also removes the necessity for manufacturing lines to halt. To add tabs, this revolutionary tablet cell eliminates this stumbling block, allowing the production line to run more smoothly and reducing the risk of mistakes as it hums along, rolling out giant 4680 cells. Solid-state batteries are still at least a year or two away from becoming a viable power source for production cars. Solid-state batteries. The solid-state battery car producers, who generally undertake the hard R&D work for marine propulsion technology, are said to be the golden standard for those looking towards an electric-powered future in boating. Toyota, Ford, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and General Motors are among the companies that have invested in and are betting on its success. Solid-state batteries employ alternative materials such as lithium metal anodes, which have around 10 times the capacity of graphite anodes and take up significantly less space than carbon and silicon anodes, in addition to removing volatile electrolyte liquids or gels. Lithium metal is not presently employed since it has a much higher potential to develop dendrites when mixed with liquid electrolytes, which are stalagmite-like formations that may grow from the anode and reach the cathode, generating a cell-killing solid electrolyte short circuit. Dendrites have a much lower chance of forming. Solid-state batteries are currently exclusively utilized in medical devices like pacemakers. Many vehicle companies invest hard in this technology because of the incredibly high cost. Still, the advantages of a 15-minute charge time and capacity could theoretically drive a car up to 1,000 miles each charge. Many manufacturers are researching solid-state batteries. For example, Samsung and Hyundai invest in solid power research in Colorado. QuantumScape is a corporation based in the United States that has received a $300 million investment from the Volkswagen Group and an investment from Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. The business has developed fire-resistant test batteries with a 4-layer cell that continue to work after 1,100 cycles and preserve at least 80% capacity. QuantumScape distinguishes itself by using a patented ceramic barrier that prevents dendrites from reaching the cathode. While everyone is racing to build a long-lasting, potent, and efficient battery, the challenge was constructing a ceramic barrier that isn't brittle and enables lithium ions to flow easily through it. Solid State is the first to take on lithium-ion batteries. Tesla's new 4680 battery is a huge step forward since it is larger and has a different interior structure. The laser pattern shingles provide a shorter channel for electrons to travel, resulting in a battery with higher power both internally and externally, and as a result, a faster charge time. Manufacturing and production. Tesla enhanced the efficiency and capacity of its battery, lowering manufacturing costs and speeding up the process. As previously mentioned, with its tablet format, a time-consuming procedure involving the tab itself being inserted into the battery has been avoided. Simply put, this means more battery in less time. That's a lot of technical information for something most people barely consider. Tesla's newest rewrite of the basic building block used in its electric cars and energy storage systems may be challenging to comprehend. Let's tie it up with a bow. Overall, Tesla's new 4680 battery cell is a defining moment in vehicle energy storage. The new cells are far less expensive and can store significantly more power per unit of volume. They've been reinvented as car structural components, resulting in a less expensive, more rigid vehicle. Hundreds, if not thousands, of modest enhancements were pushed out by Tesla, bringing significant improvements to the essential building block of the company's operation, the battery cell. Tesla has made great progress in redesigning the battery cell and is on the brink of mass-producing these new cells. Do you believe the new Tesla 4680 battery will be as revolutionary as it seems to be? Will these batteries be capable of replacing the traditional batteries in use? Let us know in the comment section below. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. Thank you for watching.